If you are tired of spending endless hours in a timeline just to make one social media clip, you have found the right place. Today we are looking at how Vizard turns your long-form videos into snackable, high-performing social clips without any of the typical drama. The process is incredibly simple because you can either drag and drop your video file directly or just paste a YouTube link to get started. You seriously do not need to mess with old-school frame-by-frame scrubbing to find the golden moments in your footage. Just paste your link, wait a minute, and watch as the AI automatically starts scanning your video for the best parts. If you are the type of creator who likes to have total control, you can still edit in the classic manual way. Simply open up the transcript, highlight the sections you actually want, and duplicate them into a brand new composition. Then, just slap on a template, and with one click, you transform raw footage into a ready-to-post polished video. These templates instantly handle all your ratios, captions, motion graphics, and clean intros for a professional finish. Whether you are posting to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, your clips will look consistent every single time. It is essentially the fastest way to maintain a high-end look without needing to be a professional motion designer yourself. Now, for those of you who are feeling a bit lazy or just perpetually busy, Vizard's auto-editing is the real game changer. You just tell the AI what vibe you are going for, like funny moments, quick takeaways, or product reveals. Give the tool a little bit of context about your audience and your typical posting schedule, and then let it work its magic. The AI analyzes the entire video to find high engagement sections and trims them intelligently for you. It even auto-adds captions and formats the clips to match the specific specs of your target social platform. You end up with a whole batch of polished clips in just minutes, which means no more late-night editing sessions. Just click, quickly review your results, and ship them out to your audience immediately. Here is a secret most people do not realize, which is that finding moments is actually only half the battle. Formatting and consistency are the real-time killers, and that is why Vizard includes a built-in content calendar. You can schedule, tweak, and publish clips across all your social accounts from one single convenient dashboard. You can set it and forget it because the auto-schedule feature handles the heavy lifting for you. Pick how often you want your content to go out, and the AI will queue up your posts at the most optimal times. This means your channel looks active and consistent, even when you are not actually sitting at your desk. No more manually exporting 9 different aspect ratios and trying to upload them one by one to every single app. Now, let's have a quick reality check regarding other tools because alternatives like Descript are great for transcript-based work. However, those tools still expect a fair amount of manual finesse if you want to push out high-volume, multi-platform content. Some other AI clip makers are either way too expensive or they only focus on one single task, like just finding highlights. They might find the good clips, but they often fail to provide the captions, templates, or the scheduling you need. Vizard truly shines because it is built for creators who want the perfect mix of speed and professional polish. Some tools produce robotic, out-of-context clips, but Vizard keeps your voice and the original meaning completely intact. The AI does not just look for loudness spikes, it analyzes thematic relevance and conversational hooks for viewer-friendly pacing. The result is clips that feel just like you said them, only tighter, punchier, and ready to be shared. Let me walk you through Workflow A, which is perfect when you already know exactly where those timestamps are. You paste your link, jump into the transcript, highlight the best bits, and duplicate them into a new composition. Pick your favorite template, hit render, and Vizard automatically applies the captions, timing, and export presets for you. Workflow B is all about letting Vizard find the hits, which is ideal when you want to batch produce lots of content. You upload the file, select the auto-edit viral clips option, and tell the AI the kind of content you need. Whether you want funny moments or key insights, the tool spits out multiple clips grouped by theme. You just review them, tweak anything if necessary, and schedule them straight into the content calendar. Another clutch feature is that Vizard preserves speaker labels, keeping interviews or panels organized with consistent captions. It also supports multi-format exports in one go, saving you from re-rendering for every different platform. Plus, there are theme presets for text animation and intros that make your entire channel look cohesive. When it comes to pricing, Vizard sits in the sweet spot for teams that want to scale their content pipeline. You get a full, robust stack including clip discovery, smart trimming, design templates, and a publisher. And if you are running a weekly show, use the batch review feature to pick the top 6 clips in minutes. You can even apply the same template set to the whole batch, so every post shares the same font and color treatment. Collaboration is also incredibly smooth, as you can invite teammates to leave comments and approve clips without messy files. No system is perfect, and if you are super picky about frame-accurate motion design, you might still want a manual editor. But for the vast majority of creators grinding out consistent short-form content, Vizard is the ultimate balance. It hits that perfect sweet spot between high-quality output and the rapid speed you need to stay relevant. So if you have a recent episode, paste the link, pick your settings, and let it run while you go make coffee. In most cases, you will have a set of post-ready clips waiting for you by the time you are done sipping. The end game here is simple: more posts, less effort, and better-looking content that actually drives engagement. Vizard isn't trying to replace you. It is about handling the tedious engineering so you can focus on the creative part. You save hours per video while keeping that authentic voice that your followers actually tune in for. So go ahead and upload or paste, choose your path, and start using the content calendar to schedule away You really will save hours of time, and honestly, it is the only sane move if you want to avoid burnout. Now, get out there and make some great content, or just let Vizard do the heavy lifting for you. I am actually meeting some friends in about 20 minutes, so I've got to bounce, but you should go try it.